Today, we're going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing and functional tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Measure. This is the new age of compact and proficient measuring. The Measure lets you perform meticulous measuring for high-end floor plan scanning. Simply place the Measure on a surface, turning the body 360 degrees. Watch as your entire floor plan is captured and sent to your smartphone in seconds via Bluetooth. Further, adding to its capabilities is the Scale Rolling Ruler. You not only have dynamic measuring functionalities of straight lines and curves, but scale measuring made simple. Roll it across a surface and enjoy a fully customizable scale measuring feature that converts any scale into the units you need. With Measure's intuitive smartphone app, you can instantly get the measuring results transferred. You can draw, edit, and save unlimited drawings and data. From here, you can export your findings to any work flat. Measure is here to give you endless possibilities, high productivity, and workflow integration at its most convenient. John Art Tools Window Shaving Tool. It is a Windows shaving tool for fiber to the home cables. It shaves a window to provide mid-span access. This tool works on cables, typically 8 to 14 millimeters in diameter. The tool features the following: an extended reach handle with overmolded rubber grip for comfort and convenience. The extended handle allows you to reach into tight corners and spaces easily without having your hand in the way. The body is also narrow, again to allow you to reach into tight spaces. Features high-carbon steel blade that requires no adjustments and is easily replaceable. 3-in-1 Lid Opener. It is specially designed for the yogurt paper cover or jelly that is not easy to tear. The tilting clip head is designed to facilitate the clipping of the paper cover so that the yogurt cover can be lifted tightly. The small screw can unscrew the cap of the inhalable jelly bottle, and the large screw can unscrew the cap of the cola and mineral water. It's made up of environmentally friendly high-quality plastic thickened material, so the cap tear is more durable than competitors. With magnets with hanging holes, you can attach the peeler to the refrigerator on the porch just about anywhere you'd like. The OEM Tools Piston Ring Compressor. It is used to compress piston rings when installing a piston into a cylinder. With the compressor tool expanded to greater than the piston's diameter, place the tool onto the piston and rings. Next, insert the square drive wrench into the ratchet lock. Turn the wrench clockwise to compress the rings into the piston ring grooves. Place the piston into the cylinder so that the piston skirt sits squarely within the cylinder and the compressor sits squarely against the opening to the cylinder while lightly pressing the compressor against the opening of the cylinder. Press the top of the cylinder head with even downward pressure until the piston is seated within the cylinder. Aero Max Smart Motion Electric Mini Drill. With its simplified design and one key controls everything future, SDS will be equipped with a unique one-geared smart control, and the motion controls drilling speed drilling on different material with ease. The OLED screen displays the drill status, gear, and battery capacity. It is equipped with a special drill bit fastening design that allows changing habits to be simple and fast. SDS is precisely machined by CNC Machine. The tolerance is less than 0.02 millimeter, so as to keep the drill head firmly fixed in the unit and ensures precision drilling. The clamp is compatible with all 2.35 millimeter bits in the market, with pop-up switch. The CNC Machine aluminum storage box facilitates the storage and management of different bit accessories. Magnetized drill bit storage makes it convenient to manage. Attached with 10 pieces, highly hardened HSS bit. The bits are titanium coated and helps to improve its durability. Dallon, the 12-in-1 transformer of DIY. This is a universal tool kit that contains 12 different main heads that can be utilized to complete any kind of construction and interior tasks. The arsenal of different heads can cover vast amount of difficult DIY works at convenience with simple and easy instructions. The 15 levels of torque allows delicate control of drill power, and the 10 mm chuck size allows equipment of various bit. Typically, purchasing variety of tools all separately would cost you a fortune and will hurt your budget. DLI Npower Tool Kit provides all the tools and features needed in DIY with high quality at just $449 USD. The 10-in-1 Boat Tool. Boat Tool is a multi-tool with 10 different boating tools all in one. It's designed and made by real boaters who were inspired to create it after years on the water. This single piece of equipment replaces 10 tools in your boat's toolbox, freeing up space on your boat and helping to ensure you always have the right tool for the job when you need it, where you need it. Boat Tool is made to last, molded from tough, durable plastic, so it will never rust. It fits in your pocket, and it comes with a handy clip for safely and securely mounting in your boat. Shingle Sider. The Shingle Sider from Pack Tool International combines simplicity with versatility to make wood, shingle, and shake installation faster and more accurate. It's perfect for both siding and roofing applications. With its simple and sturdy adjustable clamp design, the Shingle Sider works as a pair to gauge and support your ledger board without chalk lines or nails for one-person installation. It also eliminates unnecessary penetration of the vapor barrier. Once you've applied your first course as you normally would, the Shingle Sider is ready to speed your installation. First, adjust the ledger support to your desired reveal. Then engage the ledger lock to the open position. Now, adjust the length of the toe to the longest position possible for your reveal. Just below the nail line usually works best to ensure solid support. At an appropriate distance apart for your ledger board width. Slide each shingle side or toe behind the first course until the built-in stop touches the bottom of the shingle or shake. Next, drop in your ledger board so it rests on both supports. Now release each ledger lock so the ledger board is held snug. Before placing shingles, it's a good idea to double-check each shingle sider to assure vertical alignment and proper contact with the bottom of your course. Now you're ready to place shingles on your ledger board and nail. The Cleat Key. The Cleat Key is a tool designed to help any cyclist properly install their road bike cleats and is unlike any existing product on the market today. Using this tool in conjunction with our Cleat Key protocol enables the user to properly install a bike cleat and, most importantly, set the correct cleat rotation angle. A properly positioned bike cleat ensures maximum power and performance and decreases the risk of injury. An incorrectly placed cleat can result in suboptimal performance and injury. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.